कल आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
Yes. मैं अपने कमरे में थी।
I was in my room.
कल आप कहाँ गए थे?
Where did you go yesterday?
Today, do you have any topic to discussion as you want to discussion as a normal questions, normal journal as a conversation or not?
Actually, I don't have any topic. We will do
Yes,
which
yes,
is related to our day-to-day life.
yes. Okay, definitely. So please let me know how's your practice going on. Are you improving English or not?
Honestly speaking, nowadays I'm not giving too much time on conversation because of
Okay.
busy routine. I hardly do two or three conversation in a month. So I'm
Okay.
not giving, yeah. So today I thought I have to start again, but I don't know. I lost the track. I don't know why I have lost my track. And what
Okay.
about you? How is your practice going on?
Yes, because this time my practice is going on good, and I have taken the lots of sessions, and
Mm-hmm.
because this times I am improving English day by day, both things related to video call and audio call.
Oh, wow, that's really great. So, how many sessions do you take in a day?
I think one day I take one session because of my network problem,
Mm.
and so that time I talk on Telegram with different students.
Oh, that's really great. You are very passionate to learn this
Yes, actually, I want to be fluent
language.
in English. Yes.
And yeah, I can see the change in you. You have improved. I think we had
Okay.
discussion 3 4 months back. I think so.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I
Exactly.
can
Yeah.
see the change, and you are consistent. It is really a great thing. I also want to be consistent, but I don't know why I am losing my track and I am not able to connect with other people, but I am trying
Okay.
to connect with them.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So,
And
yeah.
you are also from Himachal Pradesh, right?
Yes, I am from Himachal. Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, so how have you been up to? Tell me, what were you doing and what new things you learned till now?
Yeah, actually, this times I am taking the session on Telegram because I am talking with different students, especially
Mm-hmm.
who is preparing exam for IELTS. So I think
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this times I am getting great. I because I feel something like this, and I am getting improved, and because sometimes I try to read the book. I think
Okay.
when I read the book, so that times our vocabulary, our speaking will be increased by book
Mm-hmm.
reading the book. So this time I am trying the book, and yeah, because when I get free, so that time I create any fake story and then I speak with myself. Yeah, that's it.
That's really great, and I want to appreciate you. You are really speaking very well. I can see the change in yourself. You are speaking fluent, and you are not making any mistake. This time I can see.
Okay,
So
no,
I want to
actually, ma'am, this
congratulate you.
times I am trying to remove this problem because when I
Mhm.
start speaking, so that times I translate English to Hindi in my mind and then I speak in front of other peoples. So this times I am trying to be better. I think especially speaking English and yeah, because this time I'm trying to be better and I am trying to be fluent and remove this thing because yeah
Yes,
because
we. Mhm.
because I am facing lots of problem related to this,
Mhm.
but this thing is not good for me because when I translate English to Hindi in my mind, so that time I get stuck, so that time I take lots of time
Mhm.
while speaking English. So yeah, this time I am trying.
Yes, now you got habitual and you are daily doing conversation with other people. So that's why you are improving day by day. We can say
Yes,
you are doing speaking practice continuously. So
yes, yes.
yeah, it's good. I know that speaking is very important. When you listen something in English and you speak daily with other people, it will definitely help.
Yes, because and another thing, you should keep the consistency. You know,
Yes.
consistency is very important. And this time you are delaying, another day for speaking, for learning
Mm,
English.
mm,
So I think
mm.
you feel something like this. I am not getting improved. I am getting forget all the things related to speaking, because the
Yes.
same problem I have, because when I skip one day, so then I feel something like this. I am getting everything related to grammar and related to speaking English. So that's why I keep consistency for my speaking English.
That's really great. And what about your channel, YouTube channel? How is it going?
Yes, this times my channel is getting improved, but not more much, but
Mhm.
gradually improving. Yeah.
Okay. Are you also uploading the conversation videos?
Yes, because this times I am uploading the conversation video, but sometimes I upload the video as a solo video, because I so that time
Okay.
I give the suggest how to learn English without partner, without
Okay.
environment.
Okay,
Yes.
that's really great. Any question do you want to ask to me? You can ask.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, because I don't have any questions, so can we play any rapid fire?
Yes, of course, sure.
Okay, I think this is a very good thing for improving English, because when I get free, so that time I watch a video related to rapid fire, and then
Okay,
as
that's
well
really great.
I have the rapid fire.
I would love to do because I have never done this before on in any conversation, so I love to do.
Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
मेरे पास क्या है?
What do I have?
What do I have? Yeah, yes, मेरे पास किताब है.
I have a book.
Okay, मुझे डांटा जाता है. मुझे डांटा जाता है.
Uh, I'm being scolded.
मुझे
I'm
डांटा
scolded.
जाता है. I am scold.
डांटा
Yes.
जाता है. I'm scolded.
I am scold. Yes, I am scold. And uh, यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
कमरा खोलो.
Open the room.
चाय बनाओ.
Make the tea.
मम्मी को कहो चाय बनाओ.
Ask mummy to make tea.
Yes. Yeah. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं एक नया घर खरीदती.
If I had money, I would buy a new home, new house,
Yes. I
home.
had a money. Yes. आ रही हूँ.
I'm going.
क्या आपने खाना खा लिया?
Have you eaten your food?
ओके. मैं
Have you
सुबह
eaten
से.
food? Mhm.
यस. मैं कई दिनों से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ.
I have been learning English from many days.
ओके. कल आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
Yes. मैं अपने कमरे में थी.
I was in my room.
कल आप कहाँ गए थे?
Where did you go yesterday?
Yes. मैं बाजार गई थी.
I went to market.
Yes. So now it's your turn. You
Okay.
can ask me. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
बिस्तर लगा दो.
Make the bet.
Make the bed. uh, ऊपर जाओ.
ऊपर जाओ. Go to up.
Go up. Go
Upstairs.
up.
Yes.
ये अगर ऐसे है कि ऊपर सीढ़ियों से ऊपर जाओ, गो अप
Yes.
स्टेयर्स
Yeah.
या गो अप. ओके. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ.
I am eating the food.
आई एम ईटिंग फूड. ओके. मुझे नींद आ रही है.
I am sleepy. I am feeling sleepy.
आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी. मैं सोना चाहती हूँ.
I want to sleep.
लगता है कल बारिश होगी.
कल बारिश होगी. I think it could be rain. It could be rain tomorrow.
या इट कैन, हाँ ऐसे भी ठीक है. आई थिंक इट कुड बी
Because
रेन टुमारो.
when I imagination, so that time I use past. I think
ओके.
this is a conditioner. Yeah.
ओके. क्या तुम कल मेरे घर आओगे?
Will you come to my home?
विल यू कम टू माई होम टुमारो?
Yes, tomorrow.
टुमारो, कल, कल मेरे घर आओगे. ओके. ओके. आई थिंक इट्स इनफ. नथिंग इज कमिंग इन माई माइंड नाउ.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So I think this is a good way, when you have more much practice, you don't have any partner, so you can have the rapid fire with yourself. I think, do you know Chandan Singh?
यस यस, आई नो, आई नो.
Yes,
ही
yes,
इज अ
watch
यूट्यूबर.
Chandan Singh video and so many videos I think Chandan Singh made related to rapid fire, and you can also have the rapid fire with Chandan sir and those student. So I think this video will be helpful for you definitely, according to me,
ओके.
because when I started learning English, so that times I had rapid fire with Chandan Singh and
ओके.
another
ओके.
student.
ओके, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. And how is the weather? Uh,
Yeah, this
I
time
want to
weather
know.
is very cool. Yeah, weather is
Yeah,
very
it's
cool
very
and
it's very
it's
cold.
so cold. Yeah.
Yeah, it's chilled. We can say it's chilled here.
Yes.
And I'm living in Punjab, and in the morning time it's very foggy.
Okay. Are you
It's very
staying in
foggy.
Punjab?
Basically, I'm from Himachal, but currently I'm staying in Punjab.
Okay. I think you are staying with your husband.
Yeah, actually, my parents live in Himachal. So basically, I'm from Himachal. My husband is also from Himachal, but we work here in Punjab. So we live here. But
Okay. Okay. Nice.
when we got holidays, then we go to Himachal. Now winter holidays are coming, so now I'm going. Next week I'm going.
Okay. 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 Nice. That's
Yeah.
actually, yeah, same. I am from Himachal. My birthplace is in Himachal, but I got married
Mhm.
in Jammu.
Yeah, you told me you are living in Jammu.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay. Anything else we can discuss, or you want to end the conversation?
I think we should wrap up I think
Okay,
conversation.
okay.
So
In the daytime.
okay, apart from this, you are doing anything for learning English or not, as a you are taking the classes with the help of audio call, as a you are using application.
Actually, in my initial days, when I was a beginner, at that time I was using the app Ace Fluency, where I
Okay.
was I was making audio calls to other co-learners. And
Okay.
after that, I took, I think 2 months back, I took some sessions from English Yari app. Have you listened, heard
Yes, yes.
about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I took subscription. I took 8 classes and I took 8 sessions over there. So it was a great experience. But now I'm not doing anything. I'm just listening. I'm doing just listening and just speaking practice. Nothing else.
Okay, okay. Yes. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, thank you, ma'am. Nice to talk to you. And definitely, because when will you be free in your whole day? So, please send me message and then we will have the conversation with each other. Okay.
Okay, it's nice to talk with you, and I'm glad that we connect today again. I'm
Okay.
very
Same
happy.
here.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you. Nice